If you are new to my channel, thank you for coming. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you should never miss out on any new uploads. Share this video with anyone who you think might likely be interested to see a video like this.